Alright, so the next video for Unit 4 is going from standard form to intercept form. Okay, so sometimes they give you equations that look like this, like maybe 3x plus 4y equals 7, something like that. And we can't really get y equals mx plus b from that, so we want to rewrite this as y equals mx plus b, just because it makes it a lot easier to graph. So in this case it would be y equals, well, let's do it. I'll show you. So I'm trying to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So now I have 4y equals negative 3x plus 7. And then I'm going to divide by 4. So I got y equals negative 3/4 x plus 7/4. I have to remember to divide both of these by 4. So now that's my negative 3/4 x plus 7/4. And I didn't pick very good numbers, so this is going to be pretty challenging to graph, but you get the idea. So let's do another example that might work out a little better for us. 5x plus 2y equals 12, and this is from your workbook. So if I subtract 5x, I get 2y equals negative 5x plus 12. And then I'm going to divide everything by 2, and I get y equals negative 5 divided by 2x plus 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now my m equals negative 5/2, and my b, my y-intercept, equals 6. Okay. Let's do another example. 2x plus 3y equals 12. So this time we're going to go through the whole process. I'm going to rewrite it in y equals mx plus b. I'm going to find my m and my b values, and then I'm going to use those to graph it. So my first step is to convert this to intercept form. So minus 2x, so 3y equals negative 2x plus 12. Now I'm going to divide by 3. So y equals, again, I have to divide both of these terms by 3. So negative 2/3 x plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So then I have to pull out my pieces. So m equals negative 2/3. So thinking about direction, the 2 is going to go down and the 3 is going to go over. And then my b is 4. So I have that point at 0, 4 when I graph it. And so now I'm ready to graph. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. X, y, positive, negative, positive, negative. And I'm just scaling everything by 1. I probably should be marking that. I haven't been, but I'm just using 1 as my scale. Okay, so I'm going to start with my y-intercept at 0, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my point. And then from there, I'm going to go down 2 and right 1, 2, 3 and make a point. And then down 2, right 1, 2, 3 and make a point. Yeah, and then I'm just going to draw in my line. Put arrows. It's also a really good practice to fill the whole graph with your line, not just make it from here to here. Whatever graph you're given, you want to make sure that you're going off to the edges and putting these little arrows at the ends to show that it is infinite. We're just showing a section and the direction of it, but the line is infinite. All right, thank you.